Today is like 100 and something degrees, and I am not happy about it. Gotta be careful of them surprise potholes, bro. Darling, hold my hand. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Oh my gosh. There goes one of them surprise potholes. Oh dang, my iPhone dang overheated, bro. Golly, that's how you know it's hot today. Oh yeah. Don't do it, sir. Don't do it, sir. Oh, good boy. It's so hot, my dang beef feels like it's burning, bro. Am I going? Hidden stop sign is insane. Like, if I wasn't stopping just because it was a four-way intersection already. I have no idea where the frick I am. This is insane. Disturb their peace so bad right now, but I'm trying to be a good Samaritan today. Cap. So many bills, bro. So many bills. Honestly, truthfully, the dream of growing up, by far, the dumbest dream I've ever had. If I could go back in time, I'd slap younger me. Shut up. That way, low-key, make a U-turn. Woo! It better be extremely scenic too. Am I going the right way? You're freaking kidding me. This is a neighborhood. Ain't nothing scenic about that. Look at that pothole, bruh. That ain't scenic, bro.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Oh my gosh. Come on, any day. Any freaking day. Any freaking day. Bro, change, bro.